You think modern luxury looks like this, or this? Check out our new home design because it's much better. Come on! This house has a lot of details that we put into that makes it look so effortlessly luxury. Like this welcoming hall cabinet. It has a lot of mixture of marble, leather, and wood. But you won't see the detail until you look closely. And you wouldn't know on this side there's actually a play area. And on this side, we have the living hall. Both designed very carefully to make it look good. The TV cabinet design was made with an inserted slot to fit in a large TV, but we also designed a simple platform with marble laminate. The center actually has wire management panel that we can pull out and access without the fuss of a drawer. Once we finish the living area design, the client feel like it needs a little bit more detail, so we have this wall panel design backdrop because it felt a bit too empty without it. So we added the details of the LED light strip on the sides and also the subtle marble laminate and black roof lines. So it ended up becomes a nice piece of backdrop for the whole living area. The client wanted to retain a lot of the original floorings and walls of the house, so we had a lot to repair. As well, they wanted something minimalist, easy to clean, easy to maintain, but at the same time they want that luxury feel. We played with a lot of solid colors and textures, and instead of using a lot of gold, this house has a lot of warm tone colors and matte finishes, but we complemented it with some accents of wood and clean lines or contrast of black. We started out the design of this house with, like any other project, with a layout plan. As we retain a lot of the existing layout, we just adjusted a few things, but the most important is how to revamp this house. Like this is like a cookie cutter kind of house. It's like there's like 200 houses around this area that looks the same, but we want it to look different. So we figure out that the inside and outside has to have a relation. So the color core was earthy tone colors with some black, and we wanted to give it a significant character on the outside. So we went with something like a minimalist Miami vibe, but we modernize it and simplify it so that it really gels with the existing build of the house, but the overall turned out quite good. This is possibly one of the best spaces in the house. This is the extension, and it is actually a welcoming and also guest hall. You can sit and relax here and watch TV together with your family and friends. And on this side, you have an entertaining dining area with a beautiful chandelier. On the other side, we have a bar cabinet, all overlooking either the water feature or the beautiful garden outside. So we had this extension made on the right side of the house, which is a welcoming hall or like entertainment space. The client wanted a space that's where they can entertain guests and they can relax and enjoy the view of the water feature and also the garden. And that area, we wanted to have that one feature wall that really stands out from the inside and the outside of the buildings. With such a beautiful extension, we want to pair it with a beautiful garden. Here we have a Zen garden that requires very minimal effort to maintain. So, very easy for those who are busy in their life. This dining and dry kitchen area was designed for the family to spend time together, but you wouldn't know unless you have a look. We have a seamlessly placed charging port that can be retracted. And we have a robot vacuum seamlessly placed next to the kitchen. And the kitchen sink tap is actually drinkable water. Since the dry kitchen acts more like a communal space for the clients to enjoy time with their family, so it serves less as a cooking space, so we needed like an actual kitchen. We had the wet kitchen. So the wet kitchen has an island counter for prep and a lot of counter space, and all the oven and also main fridge is on that side. And we had to do some adjustments because it links directly from the second garage so that the clients can easily unload after they bought items from the grocery. So it goes straight to the wet kitchen, and it's actually an easy access to the laundry and also the maid's area.